Hey guys, Alex Cassido here. Look, we know there's pros and cons to everything. And this video, I'm going to highlight some of the cons when it comes to being a freight broker in the hotshot industry. So, getting right into it, 24/7. If you want to be a successful hotshot freight broker, you want to be you want your customers to be able to reach you at any moment. At any moment during the day, during the night, during when you're on vacation, during when you're on a family gathering, while you're at a party, 24/7. So if you're somebody who only wants to book loads Monday through Friday, hotshot might be a negative type of industry if that's what you want to do. Because you could be working on weekends in the middle of the night, all throughout the day. Just depends, but there's no real plan for it. That's why you're on call 24/7. So another con being a freight broker in the hotshot industry is hotshot loads are time sensitive. And so there can be some pressure felt. And so if you're the type that doesn't want to feel a lot of pressure, hotshot industry may not be the best fit. So that would be a con. So when I say this next word, stressful, it's kind of goes along the same lines. Stressful, you feeling the pressure, you're under pressure that's very time sensitive loads. And so if stuff happens during transit of a load and you're not confident or like handling pressure of going back to your customer and letting them know an update when you know they really want that load to get delivered and it's super important to their operation. But we know we don't live in a perfect world, so things happen. So if you cannot handle that pressure of the time sensitive loads or giving your customer updates that they won't be thrilled about, being a hotshot freight broker may not be your thing. So the last con I'll highlight is it can be more of a challenge getting customers. Why? Well, because being a successful hotshot freight broker requires great skills and it's more challenging to earn the shipper's trust. Think about it. They only are going to make sure to work with a freight broker they know have the skills required to be a successful freight broker moving hotshot loads. Because when a shipper in the hotshot industry gives a broker a load, it's almost as if they're sticking their neck job on the line. So they're not going to just give loads away to anybody who calls them, anybody who sounds good on the phone. They're only going to be working with people who have the skills required and not a freight broker who's just beginning and new at this and the shipper can't expect a new freight broker to really handle all that's needed to get that hot load delivered. And they don't want to put their job on the line because if they can't come through for their company, they could lose their job. So it's not as easy to get customers in the hotshot industry being a freight broker than it is, say, dry van freight, where there's scheduled load deliveries in advance, where things are a little bit more calm, less pressure. Those type of shipping managers are very open to who they work with. A lot of times, as long as you're the lower price, new or not new, they'll work with you because there's less pressure, less demand on the line getting a load delivered. So those are a few cons being a freight broker in the hotshot industry. So I hope that gives you an idea of some of the negatives. Yes, you won't just hear everything is positive and sunny, sunshine. So I hope that gives you again another look at perhaps the other side, the negative, the con side of being a hotshot freight broker. I will definitely do a video covering the positives. So stay tuned for that. Y'all take care. See you guys.